Hi friends, today we will see the third part of the book. In the first part, we see how we can reach to our higher self. In the second part, we see how we can go inward and like connecting to the higher will, intuitive mind, all the things we have seen. And how in the third part of the book, we will see expand outward. In the expanding outward, we will see how we can become the source of the light, how we can get enlightened, how we can connect with our higher self. These are the things that we can discuss. Today's topic is becoming a source of light. Friends, you, me, and all of us are in the new age. We are in the new age of the earth, and we have to vibrate. We are going to vibrate the higher vibrations. So we are the leaders. We are the teachers. We are the healers of this new age, friends. So we have to bring so much information, ideas, and healing methods and love to everyone we choose to work on. We will be working in a many fields, friends. And you know what, when we are in the higher vibrations or in the higher realms, right? So if you see that human life, usually the tree, the roots are downwards. For human being, the roots are upwards. We are we are in the higher beings first, and from there we came to this earth to take the experiences in the human life. So above me and my higher self are together. We live together in the higher realms. And now I came to this earth and I'm trying to connect with the higher self because I lost the connection. And once I connected, then I'm able to get all these intuitive minds and a higher will, higher life purpose, everything I'll be able to know. Your higher self drew your spiritual body to this earth. So when higher self is drawing you on this earth, how it is going to do, I'll give an example. Suppose in the winter when you're going out, how you will wear? You will wear first the inner clothes, then a dress, then a one sweater, and then on the top of it one more coat. Like that you are actually wearing the so many layers of clothes. Similarly, when higher self is bringing you to the down, so it has to wrap you up into the different things. What are those different things? So the spiritual body, and then to emotional body, and then to physical energy bodies. It has to up three, 4 layers, and then it brings that model. Then brings to the install those chakras and the energy systems into your body, and then only we will be able to come to this earth planet. That is how we will come. It is, as I said, it is easy to imagine that we are wearing a layer and layer of clothes on our body because different layers of bodies that we are wearing and we are coming, right? So when you will not come alone into this year. There will be a soul group. A few people as a soul group, all the group will be born in this earth in a different places. So sometimes you may feel you must have never met the other person, but still you feel that, oh, somewhere I met. So that may be the soul connection, because you never got a chance that you met that person before, but you are fading out your memories from the higher realms, right? That you are able to remember, and you are saying that I met you somewhere or I know you somewhere, okay? Your higher self know how much courage it would take to come to this dimensions of the matter that is on the earth plane. Earth plane is very dense, and here all the means with the low energies, and also it requires a lot of courage to move from higher dimensions to the earth plane. It requires a lot of courage, but we are all came here thinking that we will be the pioneers, we will be the first persons who will be in the new age. So we will teach and we will bring so much knowledge, thinking that and saying that we took the courage part and we came to this earth planet to do all these things. And after we come to this earth plane, if we forget what is our life purpose, then there is no use, friends. The use of coming to this earth planet, there won't be any use. So remember that because of these turbulent energies that we have on the earth, we may forget what is our life purpose. That is the reason we have to be in our meditation, and we have to connect to the higher self, so that we will not forget what is our life purpose. When we remember our life purpose, we can move towards the life purpose and we can achieve it in this lifetime. So that is the whole purpose of being connecting to your higher self. You may have chosen a difficult childhood. You may think that, oh, my childhood is very difficult. No. Nobody gave you that childhood. We have chosen our difficult childhood because we want to become a stronger from the child. If everything was very smooth, we won't become stronger, right? We want to become a stronger as a child to accomplish more things in the life. That is why we choose a difficult childhood. When your parents were not, you are neglected by your parents, but were not taken care, then that is our choice we have taken. Without valid reason, nothing will happen. That is what we have chosen, because we want to be self-sufficient. We want to be independent. We do not want to rely on others. If parents did not care us, we want to grow ourselves, right? So we want to be independent and self-reliant. That is why we choose that kind of childhood. Many high beings comes as a different things as a mothers, fathers, and caretakers of the children on this earth planet. So you may be supported by the different, if not the family, you may be supported by the different people. You can take care of the children for the children. You too can offer the children for a moment of acknowledgement and recognition who they are, even though they are just in passing. They are coming and passing also. You can just say that what is your purpose and why you came, and you can just recognize them and you can impart that knowledge with them, okay, so that they will be able to realize at one day. So you would be coming to the earth during the time when many changes are taking place. This is the time where many changes are taking place on this earth. In fact, during this lifetime, there are significant changes are taking place compared to the history. So we are the first persons to come and take this birth and to live in this time, and we said that we will change rapidly. We will help to go this change rapidly, and we will also change, and we will vibrate in the higher frequencies. We all took this courage, we all took this challenge and came to this earth planet, friends. So we should not forget what is our life purpose. If you have not yet reached your life purpose, just remember or just meditate that, get to know the life purpose. Since you were as a child, you may felt that you had a special purpose and a mission. You know that you have a special purpose in this mission, because the density of the matter that can often block you remembering, because earth is as having a lot of density, right? It is blocking you why you came onto this earth planet. So you blocked your higher purpose. So because of that, you try to connect your higher self and get what is your higher purpose. You are ahead of your time, friends. You are ahead of your time. So you have to remember your souls in your reality and in the higher dimensions have gone before that lit you path in. So there are souls who came to the earth planet to show you the path. Just follow their footprints, and then you will be able to guide thousands of people who are coming behind you. Humanity is the process of making evolutionary leap. We are in the evolutionary leap, and humanity is that process. Your energy bodies are evolving. You are gaining spiritual shimmer, new energies. Your new aura is actually growing so bright. Your aura is growing so bright, and you are growing spiritually, friends. So when you grow spiritually, when your aura grows so, and you are becoming light bodies, you are becoming a lighter, you are actually vibrating at the higher frequencies. When you are vibrating at the higher frequencies, you will become light bodies. Many of us want this to be your last lifetime, is it not? We want to be, this is the last lifetime. That is our spiritual goal. We want to clear all our karmas. We want to do all good, and we want to attain enlightenment, and we want to go to the moksha. This is our last lifetime, right? So when you want this to be last lifetime, we should become the one with the higher self, and we should vibrate with the higher frequencies. We should become one with the light. Friends, we all do it right. Thank you.